Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a discount to Huel subscriptions. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite a friend to Huel and they've signed up with Huel. So therefore, Huel has given you $15 off your next order. How do you actually go ahead and apply that $15 off your next order? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into Huel, and then you're going to click on this button right here in the upper right hand corner. And then once you do so, you want to click on upcoming deliveries. So click on upcoming deliveries, and then from this option here, this is the really important part, guys. You want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says apply discount code. So here I'm going to apply a discount code and then click on apply, and there you have it. I've now gone ahead and applied a discount code, therefore I've saved $15 on my next delivery. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and apply a discount code to your Huel subscription. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.